have Tupperware hat and salad spinner today now. It's September 6th, 2007. Whoa! Listening to the news on the radio? Yeah. Griffin's in the kitchen. I'm sure that's your hat. Yeah, Pavarotti died today. You gonna put that on top? Oh, that's pretty cute. Salad spinner. Here's Griffin. Hey Griffin, how are you doing? Hi. You gonna put the salad spinner back together? Good job, sweetie. It only works when you have the other part too.